Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to design your personal WhatsApp stickers. WhatsApp stickers are getting very popular nowadays, and a lot of people are just sending WhatsApp stickers like crazy, and I'm gonna show you guys how to design your own personal WhatsApp stickers so that you guys stay ahead of the game and send this cool amazing stickers to your friends and family. So without further ado, let's get started. If you guys are new to our channel, consider subscribing to our channel so you don't miss any upcoming videos out there. We do a lot of tutorial videos on our channel. Make sure you check out our playlist if you guys are interested in learning Photoshop, which will be useful for this particular video as well. So let's get started. There are actually 4 steps to design a personal sticker. Step number 1 is you design your custom image. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys how to design your custom image. There are 2 softwares on your phone to design your custom image. Number 1, which I personally recommend, is the photo editor, if you can see right here, and number 2 is the background eraser. I personally use this software only to erase background from any particular image, because it is really important to have your sticker on a transparent background. As you can see right here, this laptop is on a transparent background, so looks pretty cool. So you want your image to be on a transparent background, first thing first. You can also do this step on your laptop or desktop. If you have Photoshop, all you need to do is design an image with a transparent background and export it as .png. PNG stands for portable network graphic, or you can even select other file format like WebP. But PNG is more standard for this particular stickers. So I'm gonna show you guys how to just create one sticker, and I'm gonna show you a sample of the stickers which I have created. So all you gotta do is open Google and download any image you want. Make sure it's a transparent background image. So in this case I am just downloading it from Google. You wanna make your keyword precise. In this case I'm writing down happy birthday transparent background image. Now we'll go in our file manager. In this case I'm using Explore. I have linked the download link for this particular software in the description down below. Make sure you check it out. I have already a lot of stickers downloaded, so I'm just gonna use one particular sticker, and I'm gonna show you guys how to edit it. Alright, so we'll go in the designing software. In this case it's the photo editor. Now you want to load up any transparent background image. It is really important to have a transparent background image. So in this case I'll be using this MacBook laptop. Okay, it's gonna show black in the background because it's transparent. Now there are a lot of effects you can play around. Now just so you guys know, I'm only showing you a way to make the stickers. You can use your personal imagination and skills and make this sticker just awesome. All right, now there are a lot of effects right here, as you can see at the bottom: curve, levels, effects, effect 2, frames, correction, denoise, drawing, pixel, clone, cutout. I'll be using text, so let's go in the text. Now you're gonna add a new layer. This software is just like a Photoshop on your phone. Okay, so you can add layers and do a lot of things. So I added a new layer, and now I'm gonna put some text on it. So I'll hit the text icon, and let's say we just let's say type gift for New Year. All right, so there you go. I used this particular effects, if you can see right on top, and it's applied already. You can change the effect as well. So to change the text color, you click this text top bottom. You can even affect your text as well. So let's select red color. I'm gonna select a light red color, hit OK, and the bottom I'm gonna keep it dark so it gets a nice gradient effect right there. And I'm gonna do the opposite for the stroke, which is the outer border. I'm gonna put dark on top and light on bottom, so it just looks amazing. You can see it looks pretty good. You can even just leave the stroke white. Sometimes white just pops out on any background, so we'll just leave it white for now. You can change the text format as well. You can change the text font as well, like properties, spacing, padding, line spacing, letter spacing, outline. You can even select the effects you want. There are a lot of options to play around over here, but all you need is, most of you guys just want to add your name or your custom text onto an image, and this is good to go. So I just typed it like this. You as I said, you can play around and personalize your image the way you want. So I'm gonna apply this, and the text is already there. Now I'm gonna place the text wherever you want. You can resize it, flip it, rotate it, whatever way you want. I'm gonna make the text a little bit bigger. And don't worry, if you are not sure that this is right, you can always go ahead and edit by clicking it here. But this looks okay for me, and now I'm gonna save this image. Okay, once you apply, it's gonna merge all the layers and it's ready to go. Now what you want to do is you want to hit this button right here, and you want to share it as PNG, as I said earlier, PNG or WebP. These two are the file format where you will be able to maintain a transparent background. As I said earlier, it is really important to have a transparent background. If you hit JPEG or any other file format, that background will be black and your sticker is not gonna look as what I showed you earlier. So make sure you hit PNG and then just share it. I'll hit share. Now you want to save it on in the gallery. You can either use your software like Explore or just any particular software you want. Okay, and then just save it in the desired location. Now I'm gonna save this particular designed sticker in the YT stickers, and I'll hit OK, and there you go, it's saved. I'll hit cancel. You want to keep this project, you can keep this project, or you can just discard and start from scratch. Now I'm gonna show you where it was exported. So this is the one we recently designed. So you can see gifts for new year, gifts for new year. The background is transparent. You can see this checkbox, it's basically a transparent background. Now I'm gonna hit back and I'm gonna show you certain others which I designed with Photoshop. So this I designed with Photoshop. It's Merry Christmas from VidsTube ahead of time. Then I'm gonna show you another one which is Happy New Year from VidsTube from our channel. So all these things can be done from Photoshop as well. So if you know Photoshop, you will be able to design quite better. If you don't just have to worry. You just download these two softwares which I showed you, and you can download transparent background images from Google, and there you go, you can design it like this. So you want to make sure that you download the right software for that, and that is the photo editor. The link is in the description down below. Make sure you check it out. Sometimes, let's say if you want to put your own personal image, and or you want to use any other image, you can actually do that by having let's say for example, take this particular image, and now we want to there is no background on this anyways, but if let's say there were to be a background, then you can actually erase the background from here, and I'm gonna show you how. So there are a lot of options over here. Magic, it's like magic, it's gonna select by itself. You can do manual. So let's say in this case I just want to erase a balloon right here. So you can see this red cursor, and I'm gonna just erase this balloon right here, so that just that balloon is gone. And now I'll save. I'll hit done on top right, and then this image is saved. Then I'm gonna import this image in the photo editor, put my personal text, and it's good to go. That was just an example. Again, you guys can play around and make whatever images you want. So that was step one, which is design your custom image, which was the long one. Now step two is you want to download the YouTube software. I'm gonna show you where to download it. It's all on my website. I have linked the description in the I have linked it in the description down below. Make sure you check it out. So as you can see, this is my website, and you can see the photo editor is there, the background eraser is there, and then you can also see that there is WhatsApp beta version 2.18.340. so you want to make sure that you go in the settings of your WhatsApp and check the version. If you guys have any other version than 2.18.340, you want to make sure that you download the number 5 application from this link and install it. I would highly recommend you to back up your chat history from your WhatsApp before doing this, because sometimes you might lose the history. But otherwise it's pretty simple. I didn't have any issue, I just installed it. It is very important to have this particular version, because the sticker feature is only available on this on that particular version only. Now when I say sticker, I'm gonna show you what I mean by that. So when you go in any particular chat, you hit the smiley icon right here, and you will see this 3 options right there: a smiley, GIF, and this one is the sticker. If you don't have this sticker option, you won't be able to create your custom stickers. So that's why step number 2 is to install the WhatsApp beta from the link in the description down below. Okay, once that's done, step number 3 is to download the personal sticker app for WhatsApp. So you can download that from my website, or you can just search for that in the Play Store, and it's called Personal Stickers for WhatsApp, which you can see on the number 3. Now once you get this app, you install this app. It is, again, as I said, really important to have step number 2 taken care of first, which is WhatsApp beta version 2.18.340. Once you have that, then you install personal stickers for WhatsApp. Once you're done with the step number 3, which is installing that application, you go ahead and open that application, which is right here. So personal sticker for WhatsApp. So this is a pretty cool application, as this is the application which is gonna send all the stickers to your WhatsApp. Okay, so now comes the important part. Remember in the Explore file manager, I showed you that I created a new directory as YT stickers. Now this is really important that you make sure that you create that in the device memory and not in the SD card. You don't want to create in the SD card, because the application is not gonna read your SD card, it's gonna read your device memory. Now I'm just gonna show you guys. I created 3 folders right here. Number 1 is stickers, number 2 is stickers edited, and number 3 is YT stickers. The reason why I'm showing you this is because if you go in the personal stickers for WhatsApp, you will see all this 3 folder. You're not gonna see any other folders. I have a lot of subfolders where I have a lot of other images, but I'm not able to see any of those folder over here except this 3, because I have created them right in the phone, not as a subdirectory. It is a folder in the phone memory. Okay, so once you have that folder done, you want to make sure that you add at least 3 stickers there. Okay, in that folder. Once you have that 3 stickers, you will see this button right there, add to WhatsApp, or you can see it right here, add to WhatsApp. The other I have already added to my WhatsApp. So there is a tick mark or a check mark beside it. This one I haven't, so now I'm gonna go ahead and add that. So it says sending to the WhatsApp, and I'm gonna hit add. Now it says that YT stickers has been added to your WhatsApp, and you can see this check mark. Now we'll go on our WhatsApp and you will have that stickers there. So there you go. Now this is the one we designed recently, so you can see gift for New Year, and you have your custom sticker already, right? So you can, as I said, you can think in the way you want, and you can have that sticker. You can have your own personal picture, remove the background and put your custom text, or you can download any transparent background image and put your custom text, and you're good to go. So this is the Happy New Year, which I designed from the Photoshop, and it looks pretty good. And this is the Merry Christmas one, which I designed from the Photoshop, and this is how it looks. So I hope you guys found this video really helpful, and after watching this video and downloading all the softwares, you guys will be able to design your own personal sticker. Make sure you check in the description down below the article on my website, and you can, from there you can download all these softwares which I have used to design the personal sticker. And as I said, if you follow all these 4 steps, there you go, you're all good to go. Okay, so I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Take care.